Hello, this is Suleiman, the founder of Syverse AI. Syverse AI is not just an AI chatbot, it is a full-blown AI engine and agent which can literally perform tasks based on the instructions given to it. I will straightforwardly jump to the example so that I can show you Syverse AI in action for one of my actual client, which is an agency based on Go High Level. Go High Level is a very big software and they are selling it as a white level software. So support can be difficult. What we have done, we have provided all the information of support to the bot, which can now smartly answer questions and perform actions. Now, for example, I will straightforwardly jump to the setup of it. Here is the bot setup. I will just go ahead and ask a question. Hey, I need help with automations. Based on the instructions given to the bot, it will reply. And I will show you in a moment how that bot is set up in minutes. I want to book appointment when someone, I want to send appointment confirmation and reminders when someone books an appointment. I'm just intentionally making mistakes of the spelling so that it's AI, it will figure it out. Now it will literally guide me through how to set up the workflows inside the system, Agent CRM, which is their system. So step by step, create new workflow. Go ahead, do this, do that, whatever. And if they follow it, they are good. But for example, I'm not tech savvy and I say I want to create a ticket. I am not tech savvy. Yeah, just I want to create a ticket instead. Our client is using Zendesk as their ticketing software. So I will go ahead, Suleiman Daoud. So how it is set up, if someone requests for the ticket, it will literally create a ticket for them in the Zendesk. And we can literally perform unlimited number of actions based on that. Yeah. Proceed. Now what is happening, I will show you. Meanwhile it is loading, I will show you what is happening. We have created the assistant here. We have provided all the instructions to it. How we have created it, the assistant is there. But how we usually create assistant, for example, I will go to create assistant. I will just give it a name, whatever information. I will write all the instruction here and I will upload as many files as I want here. Now we have given the 60-page document to that assistant, which is based on which is answering, right? So for now, I'm just not giving any file and continue. I have made it as non-resizable, unlimited number of message, open by default. And yes, so I can provide the number of domains where I want it to work and then save. So it is this simple to set up the assistant. If we want to create automations, we want to perform actions based on something happened to the assistant. This is the automation which is actually creating the Zendesk ticket, and I will show you. So this is the automation. Here we define when do we want to trigger the workflow. This workflow should be triggered when someone requests for ticket or if they are frustrated, right? And then we have multiple actions we can add: get user message, send webhook, extract data based on the conversation. And here we send the custom GPT prompt. And this is just for the security because I have made it hidden. And then we literally we can send the API call to create a disk ticket, and we can feed the data back to our assistant. And this is what happened in our case. As I proceed, and it has created a ticket for me. And then if I grab this ticket and I shall open Zendesk here, for example, I will just paste this ticket number here, and it will show you the ticket. Here you go. Just 3 minutes ago, the ticket has been created. Suleiman will want to set exactly. We can do whatever we want to do, right? I have mapped it in this way intentionally. We can just do whatever we want to based on this. Now I have shown you how this automation is made. In similar way, we can book appointment, we can integrate it with anything in the world which can expose AI. So this is not just a chatbot, this is the whole AI engine or agent in action. Just imagine someone having the e-commerce store. The problem with e-commerce store is that person have to interact with it. What they can do is that they can give everything to AI, and then someone can come to their website and they can say, hey, I'm looking for item, or I'm looking for shirt, red color, round collar, round neck. Do you have something? AI can reply, hey, these are the images or whatever. And here it is, just like a salesman. A dentist can book an appointment using this. A plumber can book appointment. An e-commerce guy can use it for e-commerce, and an agency can use it as a support. So this Syverse AI can be used for anything. It's just simple when we can do anything we want. Now, for example, I will go further and I will say, I need to book an appointment. And I have integrated my calendar with it as well. So what it did, it fetched my appointment slot based on the automation. So I will say, let's say 4 p.m. is fine Wednesday. Now what it will do, it will book an appointment for me. And there you go. And now because it is, I have integrated with my calendar inside high level using API. So if I go here and if I go to the calendars, let's have a look. 4 p.m. There you go, Suleiman Dao. So this is what Syverse AI is. And in future roadmap, we are going to make it white label so that agencies can resell it. We are going to add voice feature to it so that it can be implemented to inbound calls. And we have other things I have included into the pitching document as well. Thank you.